Hello everyone! Today I would like to thank everyone who is watching my videos and of course my first few patrons. I'm really excited and grateful for your support. Thank you very much, it means a lot to me. Recently I've been thinking about fears and why I don't like teaching through the video, because I can't see a reaction. When I come to class, I know what to do, I look at people and I see pretty smiles which make me happy. But when I stare at the camera in this black void and I don't see you, it's a little bit harder for me to teach. And that's why I would really appreciate if you leave your comments, both positive and whatever I can improve after each video you watch. So let's get to some yoga. Today we will do some neck exercises. I know these are not new. For some people they followed me along for a long time, but for some people they might be new. And neck is such an important part of your body. Never start right away from circular movements, because the top vertebrae in your neck can be misaligned, and when you just start circling right away, it might grind them. So because of that, I developed my own routine. It comes from different sources, and if you do it every day, you will never have a neck pain. So let's get started. Take a comfortable seated position. Cross-legged on your knees, you can do it on the chair. And let's go. First, just drop your chin down and move in light pulsation movement, chin towards the navel. Lift your head up, place your hands on your heart, and move your chin up. Back to center. Now rotate to the left, light pulsation movements. Engage your eyes as well, so that you train your optical nerve as well. Light pulsation movements to the right. And back to center. There should not be any pain, maybe a little of discomfort, but no pain. If you feel pain, stop. Alright, so next movement is towards the shoulder. Light pulsation movements. Other side. So feel that the axis around which you're rotating your head goes through your throat. Come back to center and lift this axis so that it's going through your nose. And rotate your chin up, forehead down, crown of your head down. Switch sides. Back to center. Now drop your chin and do the same thing. Imagine that the axis goes through your nose Look somewhere at the floor and in the opposite direction. Back to center. Now same thing up. Look up and start rotating around the axis of your nose. Reverse. And back to center. Pause for a moment, notice any changes in the sensations in your neck. It is very important to have a healthy neck because of the amount of nerves, blood vessels that go through the neck, and your brain will start working better because it will get more oxygen, more blood. Now we will start figures 8. Large, slow movements. All the movements should be performed for about a minute and reversed. Back to center. Now infinity sign. When I'm drawing infinity signs, I like to put into them that what I would like to have. For example, I'm healthy. Back to center. Center yourself. Notice any changes in the sensations. Notice your breath. Slow it down. Blink your eyes open to the space. And now we'll do half circles as if you're outlining the hemispheres of your brain. Like this. And reverse. I remember one funny case when a student started doing like this kind of movements, and I'm like, are you an alien that your brain is not like other people's brain? But that's another story. So, other side. Notice the difference between the two sides. Switch direction. And back to center. Pause for a moment. Notice any changes in the sensations. Smile to yourself. Thank yourself. Now we will write with our nose. Anything you would like to write. Just write in capital letters, cursive. And choose a word that means something to you, but don't make it short. Make it longer. Today I will spell my baby girl's name, Eleanor. So I'm starting like this. You can do anything you would like to spell. Usually I prefer to spell something like in something uplifting, something nice and joyful. So if you'd like to spell any names of people whom you love, go for it. Again, rest up, relax your shoulders. Notice your breath, your heartbeat. And now we're finally ready to do full circles. I still prefer to start with half circles in the front, from shoulder to shoulder. And then whenever I'm ready, I switch to full circles. And reverse. Finish with chin to the chest and gently lift your head up. For the last one, we'll clasp our hands behind the nape and just lower your shoulder blades down, lift your elbows up, and twist a little bit. And back to center. I just remembered one more. So, never pull your neck, just let it go down. So, drop your chin and see where your neck is. Now, instead of pushing with your arms down, press your head into your hands, like so. And release. Notice that when you released, your chin went much, or anyway, your chin, notice that your chin went further down. Now we'll repeat from this position. Push your head up into your hands. And release. Try to keep your shoulders relaxed. And lift up. Head into the hands. And relax. Head into the hands. and relax, and keep doing it until there is no more improvement in the range of movement. And relax. Now lift your head up and turn your head from side to side, noticing any changes in the sensations. Notice how your neck feels. Feel more freedom. And have a lovely day. I'm practicing staring at the void.